Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another video. Moody Cars with you back again. Sorry we didn't drop any video before. Roy was busy with the life. Now we're gonna start walking the car again just to make it official in the summer. Take us more rides and we will walk with you and see what we are doing right now. Of course, now you can see after we took the cover, we are walking at the brake, do some adjustment and clean them. And when we took it out, we found out the brake, it wasn't even working or touching, like the shoes wasn't even touching the drums. And the drums is all the way there. We took them to some specialist guy and he checked them. We can adjust the brake and we can do more better job, but we're gonna replace all of the backing blade with all of the stuff. Backing blade, shoes, rods, everything in the winter. This is the drums. These the two for the front and these the two for the back. The front is good drums and we can make them official. The back is also good, but not perfect good. You can see whoever did the work before in these drums, he welded the stud. He welded them and this is not supposed to be done like this. And we find the nut for the axle loose, also another thing. And the major issue we was having with our brake pedal. The one is in the shaft, connect to the transmission. Let me show you what was the problem. It was a lot of play into them. We lost almost maybe a half an inch in the shaft. Now here, as you can see, this is the shaft on the transmission. It's connected to two pedal, brake pedal and the clutch pedal. I think maybe if we did a little bit of focusing, you see how the shaft is like worn out here, and that's worn out the pedal. We didn't have a lot of working into it. The brake light for the emergency, I don't know why they do it like this, but it was the wrong way. Emergency brake also, we didn't have the rubber base for the releasing the emergency brake, and we ordered another one. We have a new one. We're gonna replace this one. We're gonna work in the shaft. We are not gonna make it 100%, we're gonna make it 90% working, more better than before. Now let me show you the back. The back, it is not a 28 backing blade. It is an early 28 backing blade. And we're gonna replace it to the late 28 model A brake, because this one, the emergency brake, came separate than the regular brake. In my car it's a late 28, no, it's an early 28. It came just with one step emergency brake and regular brake, and this whole thing is not wrong, it's not right. We're gonna change it and we're gonna make it like how it came from back in the days. And also you can see the rod here is bent. We're gonna replace this one. And I found out I don't have shocks in the car. Also, I'm in the procedure to looking for shock. I need 4 of them. Okay, let me show you the other one now. The other one is the same thing. It wasn't even touching. The rod is bent. Same thing, the rod is bent. There is some play into it. All of the rod inside is out of adjustment. Same thing to set up emergency and regular brake. We're gonna delete all of this stuff and we're gonna put the early 28 backing blade. Also we're gonna put the shock. This is about this side. Of course we have an early 28 Model A. I didn't realize that. A friend of mine, his name is Robert, he came here. I appreciate your help, Robert. You don't know how much information you give me. This is the old brake paddle I have. Of course, I bought two new ones because I have a little of a problem into them. If you can see here, see the hole? It's like big space. I can fix it, but we bought two new ones and we bought the emergency left hand brake, and it came with the pistol for it to release the emergency brake. We bought the right stuff, two brake paddle, all of them is in a good shape. They already sand out, and we bought the rest of the stuff to make. We bought the pin and the grease fittings and the pin for the clutch, and also the pin to make the brake light work in the right way. And the other thing also we're gonna change this time in the summer before the winter. I bought exhaust manifold with the intake manifold. I bought it from a guy. He said to me, this one is originally 28. It came with the heater because I have the hole for the heater in my firewall. And that is the other thing. Oh, also, we're gonna change the carburetor. We're gonna change the exhaust manifold because mine is bent. Most of the people know about it. For the Model A, they get bent from here in the last piston, and they start leaking. Mine is already bent and it's leaking. And the other thing, I'm gonna change my carburetor because the last time I rebuilt it, I found out the lower piece in the carburetor have a crack into it and it keep leaking fuel. I bought a new one and it's in the progress to be rebuilt right now, and we're gonna change it. And another thing, I'm sorry I'm keeping saying another thing, I found out a lot about I need to be changed. Okay, if you can give them a little bit here. The fan, it have a crack. I'm so glad Robert found it that day, because if he didn't, I will be replacing my radiator and my hood. That's also another thing we're gonna replace. It's the fan. Of course, I'm gonna need help now. I'm looking for some parts. Whoever gonna watch this video, I'm looking for two headlights, original, the 28, and I'm looking for shock. I need the shock absorber. I need the original one for the car, the 4 pieces. And if any one of you guys have an early 28 parts like backing blade, router, headlight, any of these parts I am looking for, you can give me a shout in my email down in the channel or leave a comment. I will really appreciate it. I know it's hard to find this stuff, the part I'm looking for, but I'm sure and I have a lot of faith between all of my friends and in you guys, I'm gonna find them. Some of my friends is looking for them in you, but I'm looking for the original one. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. And if you have any of the parts I spoke with you about them, leave a comment below. I appreciate all of the help and the support from you guys. I really do. And see you in another video. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and leave a comment below if you have any feedback I have. Thank you.